Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to copy card list in your Trello account. First, you make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your Trello account. Now let's get started. Open your Trello app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the bottom you can see different options as boards, my cards, search, notifications. Tap on boards. Here you can see your workspaces. I have two workspaces, Bonbon and Rizma. Here I will be choosing my workspace Rizma. Now I will be tapping on boards of that workspace. Now here I will be seeing different boards of my workspace. Here you have to choose any of the board. Here I will be choosing finance. Now you can see here at the top three dots, tap on that. Here you will be seeing copy list, move list, watch and different options. Tap on copy list. Tap on copy now. Here you can see I have copied this card here. In this way you can copy any card. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.